Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a sign-up form from ActiveCampaign. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below that you can use to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. To begin, click on the Website tab, then select Create Form. Give your form a name, choose a style, and select the list you want to connect the form to. After that, click Create Form. You can easily design your form by dragging and dropping elements. Once your form is ready, click Integrate. Then copy the provided HTML code and paste it into your website's HTML where you want the form to appear. And that's it. Your sign-up form is set up and ready to go. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. We are so grateful for your time and attention in watching our video. Thank you for your support.